So let's take a look at a great small size pickup truck we took in on trade here. This is the 2015 GMC Canyon SLE All-Terrain Edition. Really nice gray metallic paint on this vehicle. You're gonna have plenty of towing capacity because of the power from that 3.6 liter V6 engine, and that's gonna be paired up with a 6-speed automatic for great highway fuel economy. Now this is a local McNaught serviced and purchased vehicle, so you know it's been in good care with the previous owner. You've got the Wrangler tires down here, plenty of tread left on those tires, as well as your 17-inch aluminum wheels. Now as we move around to the front end, lots of nice chrome on the bottom bumper there. You've also got the fog lamps as well. So taking a look around the other side, you're going to find, of course, once again, those aluminum wheels in great condition. You've got the all-terrain badging on the side. And allow me to take a walk around the back. You've got the spray-in bed liner, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your box, as well as the LED taillights and your trailering package, so you've got the hitch down there. You've got the easy step bumper right here, so it's going to allow you to get into that box a lot easier. And you've also got the factory installed mud guards on the back. As we take a look inside the Canyon All-Terrain, you're going to find the jet black leather and cloth combination seats here. You've got the all-terrain badging on the backrest as well. Red stitching, 4-way power adjustable controls for the front, as well as your lumbar support down there. Just behind the steering wheel, you're going to find your brightness controls as well as your automatic 4x4 controls. You've got 4 high, 4 low, so plenty of options here for whatever terrain you're trying to get across. You've got your power adjustable mirrors, 1 touch-down windows, and plenty of nice storage down here in the door panel. Now inside the Canyon, if we take a look at the odometer, you've got 62,282 kilometers as of this recording. So this is a certified pre-owned vehicle, meaning you've got our warranty coverage for 5,000 kilometers or 90 days. Now you could configure that front LED screen using the buttons right here on the steering wheel. You've also got your cruise controls over here to the left-hand side, and you've got the volume buttons for your radio right behind the steering wheel. Now taking a look, this is the 8-inch touchscreen system. You're going to find your full navigation. You've got audio, including Sirius XM radio. You've also got Bluetooth phone pairing, of course, which is going to work great if you want to play music through Spotify. You've got your own set of climate controls down here with the little LED indicator letting you know what temperature you're set at, as well as your tow mode button, traction control, your rear box light, and hill descent assist. Now both front passengers do get the comfort of 6-way power heated seats, I should say, as well as down here you're going to find a USB port, auxiliary, and DC charge outlet. Now this truck does also have a backup camera, of course, with trajectory, so the lines are going to turn and guide you while you park. And if we open up the armrest, you're going to find another USB port down here to keep your phone plugged in and charged up. You've got the rear view mirror here with the auto dim feature, as well as your OnStar buttons. And a nice little sunglass compartment. So all in all, it's pretty quiet and comfortable in here. Last thing I want to mention is you do have Bose premium audio, so that's a 7-speaker system, which is going to sound great in this truck. Now in terms of back seat space in the Canyon, it's pretty reasonable back here. You've got enough room for 3 passengers without a problem. There's a couple USB ports as well as a DC charge outlet, so everybody could stay charged up even if they're sitting in the back seat. Now the seats do come up against the backrest, which is going to allow you access for some more storage down below. And of course we're going to take one more walk around the truck here just to take a good look at the condition that it's in. And like I said, this is a certified pre-owned unit, so you've got our warranty coverage, full tank of gas upon delivery, and a fresh detail ready to go. So if you're in the market for a small truck or any other unit that we might have on our lot, I invite you over to McNaught, and our sales professionals will help you out.